My name is Alan Holford and I'm CEO of BoxTube Limited, and we're creating a low-carbon automated granular logistics network. Our initial innovation as part of this is a rapid vehicle loader capable of loading 550 boxes onto a lorry in under a minute and up to 10,000 boxes onto a 12-car train in just 11 seconds. The benefits of this invention alone could be transformative, with carbon savings seen in road vehicles due to better filling efficiency and a reduction in fleet size. With granular logistics, typical current methods such as roller cages and dollies can take up to 60 minutes to fully load and secure, and aren't optimised for the vertical space within the vehicle. We use all available space, and with the load time reduced to a minute, each driver and vehicle can complete more loads in a day. This utilises both the human and the vehicle asset better and makes the driver role more sustainable, with fewer overnight stays in the cab, fewer injuries and more accessible zero manual handling job role. What the solution also allows with its rapidity is frequent and convenient switching between transport modes. This means that boxes can be easily put onto trains for large parts of journeys, which is up to 95% lower emitting. And the HGV or other vehicles can just be responsible for the first and last mile. The speed of loading can transform the capacity of the network because it allows freight to be fitted amongst the passenger timetable without delaying other trains, helping the government to achieve and even exceed its goal to increase UK rail freight by 75% by 2050. The challenge BoxTube faces in creating this loading solution for the railway is the long development pathway. The scale of the equipment involved and considerations such as industry adoption and a requirement for infrastructure mean that we need to develop several prototypes before we can commercialise, and therefore programmes such as Clean Futures are essential to move us forward. Having previously worked with both the Connected Places Catapult and BCIMO, I knew that their partnership would be perfect to accelerate our development. There really isn't anywhere else where we'd be able to demonstrate a prototype in a relevant rail environment as a startup SME. Our aim during this project is to develop our second prototype vehicle loader and demonstrate it in a relevant rail scenario. In doing so, we hope to progress our technology readiness level and also our manufacturing readiness level by improving many of our component parts and designing them with manufacturability in mind. We also hope to lean on the rail, business and logistics expertise within the programme to develop the commercial side of the offering and to make sure that we are developing technology which is fit for the real-world application. Building on the first prototype we made in partnership with Cranfield University, we're building a second generation prototype at BCIMO, this time designed to load a rail vehicle. This is enabling us to test our redesigned loading mechanism, which has been developed to be suitable for production. We've also refined and developed many of the component parts towards where they will need to be for a production solution. There's been enormous support from the programme. On the business side, we've developed our commercial proposition and business readiness with workshops and one-on-one support. There's been a lot of expertise on offer. The programme has also fostered commercial opportunities for us, both for collaboration, manufacturing and development partners and sales opportunities. On the engineering side, the staff at the BCIMO have offered a lot of support, expertise and contacts, really enabling a high quality prototype to be pulled together and helping us to understand what it will take to get our solution into the rail industry. Alongside that, they have provided a fantastic testing and demonstration facility which simply wouldn't be in reach for a startup company anywhere else. Both the Connected Places Catapult and BCIMO have given us the reassurance that they want to stay involved and continue to help BoxTube develop beyond the Clean Futures programme. They really want to see us reach sustainable commercial success. During our Clean Futures project, we developed a fully functioning motorised loading system prototype to demonstrate the system's capability. We also refined a number of parts, including getting bespoke parts made at volume, proving that they would be suitable for large-scale manufacture. The Accelerator also enabled us to further protect our IP with a second patent application, which will allow us to greater security in commercialisation. Finally, the process of making this prototype has helped us to further specify technical items on our development roadmap in order to get the solution market ready. In the short term, we hope the demonstration of our technology achieved through the programme will allow us to gain funding for further development and testing. We already have a potential further avenues to explore in terms of larger scale prototyping projects and even live trials on rail. After that, we plan to commercialise the system both on rail and road transport, with a system that is designed to grow in power as its network of users and infrastructure grows. We have multiple opportunities for market entry and pathways to grow from there. Eventually, we envision a whole network of solutions based on the BoxTube box, which allows individuals and businesses to send boxes anywhere throughout the international network, with a granularity down to the individual box. These boxes will be handled and transported in a variety of ways with multiple technologies, but the sender will just have to put in the destination and we'll do the rest. This disruptive technology could grow trade and the economy, creating multiple opportunities for new businesses and circular economies, and in the process will save millions of tons of carbon in comparison to existing methods of transport.